Hello and welcome back to Russian with Nastya. Today I'm going to tell you when do you need prepositional case in Russian language. In this lesson I will not get into details. I just want to show you most common situations when you have to use the prepositional case. We will talk about what ending and what preposition to use in another video. When it will be posted on my channel, I will leave a link in the description box below. Before we start, make sure you are subscribed to my channel so you get notified every time I upload a video about cases. So in Russian language, nouns are changed by cases. For example, if in English you can say I live in Moscow and the noun Moscow will not be changed. In Russian, it will be changed because in Russian language, a noun's function has to be defined. It will be wrong to say «Я живу в Москва». Moskva has a function here and it has to be changed by a case. Я живу в Москве. Prepositional case. How did I understand that here I have to use the prepositional case? You will find out today. First of all, because it's indicating a place. A noun in prepositional case will answer to question where, где. The following verbs will be followed by a noun in prepositional case. Работать, жить, гулять, быть, лежать, отдыхать, стоять, находиться, висеть, and many others. These are the most used ones. And let's see some examples. Я живу в Москве. This was our first example. Or я живу в Италии. Or я живу в доме. Я работаю в школе. Моя мама работает на почте. Почте in prepositional case. Работаю в школе. A noun in prepositional case. Собака лежит на диване. Где? Where? На диване. Prepositional case. В тексте есть ошибки. Где? Where? В тексте. In the text. В тексте. Nominative text. Nominative text. Prepositional. В тексте. Летом я еду на море. Prepositional case will be always used with prepositions. Number 2 is transportation. To use the prepositional case with transportation, you will need these verbs. The most used are лететь, ехать, плыть. And let's see some examples. Я еду на поезде. When you see a transportation in a sentence, you will use this transportation in prepositional case. На поезде. Я еду на поезде. Or я еду на машине. The same is here. Я плыву на лодке. Он летит на самолете. In the third situation, you will use the prepositional case when the noun will answer to a question about what and about who. Verbs that will help you make sentences with nouns in prepositional case will be мечтать, думать, знать, говорить, рассказывать, писать, читать. Let's see some examples. Он говорит только о работе. О работе. About what? About work. Я читаю о дизайне. О чем? About what? About design. О дизайне. A noun in prepositional case. Я мечтаю о машине. I dream about a car. About what? About a car. О машине. Я пишу о любви. I write about love. About what? О чем? О любви. Я думаю о Николае. Я думаю о Николае. О чем я думаю? О Николае. And number 4 is about musical instruments. Она играет на флейте. So with musical instruments you will use the prepositional case. Я играю на пианино. Он играет на гитаре. Он играет на гитаре. That's all for today. I hope this video was helpful. Feel free to ask all your questions in comments below. Connect with me on all my social medias. I've got Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Спасибо за внимание. Пока!